colleagues. It's an honor to speak before you in this amazing setting where humanity seeks for meaning beyond itself, to study the nature, origin, and boundaries of human knowledge, and go beyond by exploring not only what the future holds, but how we might shape it in conscience, creativity, and courage, of course. As we heard today, we are in a pivotal moment in time. Institute trembled under the weight of exponential change in technology, and the human soul is yearn for deeper substance and connectivity. Advancement in human involvement will not be written in code alone. It will emerge from the interaction between human and technology, the artificial intelligence, from our capacity to actually bridge the incredible complexity of the human brain with the exponential power of AI. And this is precisely what my team in BrainSpace is doing. BrainSpace is developing a mental link bridge between the human brain and AI technologies. Our neurotechnology is enabling a living interface between biology and computation, where technology turns to understand and speak the language of the mind. Despite centuries of scientific progress, our understanding of the human brain remains limited. We can decode the genome, we can map the stars, but yet we still cannot decode the mind. Yet, within those neural patterns that we have lies the key for mental health, longevity, and consciousness. At BrainSpace, we believe that unlocking the next frontier of humanity requires that we will map the brain, we'll understand it at scale and in real time. Thanks to our breakthrough technology, space-validated, tested abroad the International Space Station, we are now doing exactly that. This goes beyond neuroscience. This is humanity turning the mirror inward, decoding the language of consciousness and building foundation to the mental link between that allows human cognition to work with AI and evolve together. At BrainSpace, we are determined in our mission to transform brain data to be accessible, structured, and actionable, and to transform it into the mental link connecting humans and machine. To achieve this, BrainSpace has built the world's most advanced brain data as a service platform. This platform incorporates first our NASA-approved space validation technology, the Brain Sensei headgear. It captures high-fidelity brain signals in real-world and extreme conditions, from Earth to orbit. Second, our AI-driven brain data cloud. This unique cloud transforming raw signals into structured, meaningful brain data insight. And, of course, the human AI co-learning systems. These systems are helping machine to adapt to us, amplifying human potential rather than replacing it. Together, this breakthrough create a new data layer of for humanity, brain data, a new type of interface, a mental link that enables AI to interpret, respond to, and grow alongside humans. What we're achieving is not science fiction. It's already happening. Our technology was abroad, the International Space Station, monitor astronauts' mental health. in microgravity conditions. It is being tested in clinical trial with partners to improve cognition resilience, and it's pioneer a new frontier in mental wellness, neurorehabilitation, and human-AI collaboration. BrainSpace platform is not just a tool, not just a beautiful headset. It's an infrastructure for the entire ecosystem of human and AI to work together. The one space for brain data, which unlocks endless opportunities across different fields. First and most, healthcare and wellness. Physicians can use those insights based on brain data to detect depression, Alzheimer, and neurological disease years before they happen. With source of brain centers, we collaborate to map the brain and help them steer the patients to the right place with the right protocol. Second field, training and performance optimization, including education, of course. Adaptive learning systems respond to the trainees' cognitive states and mental states, considering fatigue, focus, stress. Those tools unlock deeper understanding how to improve and steer the trainee to his most potential. And last but not least, for those who've been with us yesterday, creativity and art. Artists and AI can co-create immersive work that human emotion literally shapes the output. At the heart of each of those examples is the mental link. It's a dynamic, adaptive connectivity that allows human cognition and artificial intelligence to continuously inform and elevate each and other. This is the future where AI does not replace us. It enriches the human creativity. In the future, beyond algorithms that predict our choices, brain data-driven insight will help us to live more meaningfully and profoundly. The implication of this revolution extends far beyond creativity, you understood. They penetrate into the very heart of human health, and of course to the quality of life. As Petros mentioned, by mapping and decoding the brain, over time we can discover early biomarkers for cognitive decline, for stress, and for neurological disease, of course, long before they happen. We enable personalization of treatment that adapt dynamically to the person's evolving brain state. And we are pioneering what we call evolutionary biohacking. This tool that help individuals to not only increase their lifespan, but wellness health span. Imagine a world where depression is detected way before it manifests. Alzheimer is intercepted years before. Creativity, focus, resilience can be trained. Must. This is not a distant dream, dear fellows. This is the roadmap that BrainSpace put forward. We are building it today. A roadmap to power the mental link that connects brain activity to adaptive AI, transforming raw signals into actionable insights that enhance our everyday in life. Now, as we venture deeper into the human mind, we must also journey deeper into our consciousness. The future we are building is not that, it's not just technology. It's ethical. Brain data is the most intimate information there is. It must be treated with the highest standard of privacy, dignity, and human agency. Sorry for taking a little bit more time. Advancing brain science is a technological opportunity coupled with moral responsibility. As pioneers emerging fields, we see ourselves as responsible to set the highest standard to ensure that using brain data empowers people, autonomy, rather than compromise it. This is why BrainSpace developed a brain data bill of rights framework to ensure that these new data sets emerge. It's not directed by, it's directed, sorry, by principles that protect individual and humanity. And this is very important, people. Technology without ethics is power without purpose. But technology guided by dignity can become force for healing, awakening, and transcendence. We stand at the dawn of a new age, not just AI, but representative and empathetic technology that propels people's performance beyond its current boundaries. By merging neuroscience, AI, and ethics, we have focused on enriching quality of life, creativity, and consciousness. At BrainSpace, we are proud to pioneer this revolution to build the mental link between human brain and artificial intelligence, transforming raw neural signals into instruments of healing, creativity, and growth. The platform we are building is for global use. It's for researchers, clinicians, and innovators to benefit from, to contribute to, and to build upon. And so I invite you, people, invite you, scientists, artists, builders, innovators, and dreamers. Join us. Together, we can create a future where technology is for the betterment of humanity, where intelligence is both artificial and profoundly human. And we are at the next leap of evolution is not just about machines surpassing us, but about helping us heal, grow, and achieve our utmost potential. Thank you very much.